Well, Ansh, if I want to say anything, I want to say you got a pretty terrible ruby.
Sometimes, to bring out the true beauty of a gemstone, you need to take a step back before moving forward. Welcome to Less is More, a new series where we show how careful, minimal changes can unlock maximum value. The first step was to remove the ruby from its setting, slowly and precisely. Any pressure can crack the stone. Next, we did the most critical part, analyze. We inspected the ruby from every side, the top, the bottom, the pavilion, and the girdle. We were looking for internal inclusions, surface reaching fractures, color zoning, and weaknesses in the stone. Our goal was to figure out how to improve the cut without compromising too much weight. We studied the stone under diffused and direct light to understand how it reflects and absorbs color. Sometimes, the best color is hidden deep inside, and we need to unlock it with the right angles. We need to bring the fire out of the stone. Next, we took the ruby to my friend and master Gemcutter, Eddie Cleveland. He confirmed what I suspected. The stone had potential, but it needed help. So, we began the recut. The goal? Improve the symmetry, remove the windowing, and bring out more brilliance, without losing too much weight. Before we did anything, we cleaned the ruby and its setting in an ultrasonic cleaner to remove any dirt, oil, or polishing residue. Anything that might interfere with precision during cutting. And now we present to you The Art of Cutting by Edward Cleveland. After hours of meticulous work, the cutting was finally complete. And now came the most exciting part, preparing for the final polish. This is where the ruby truly comes to life. Under the right hands, polishing doesn't just smooth the surface. It ignites the color, sharpens the sparkle, and reveals the soul of the stone. When we first started this project, the ruby was a 1.57 carat unheated natural ruby with the color red. And after recutting and polishing, we managed to just cut 0.32 carats out of the weight. And we changed the color from red to vivid red, otherwise known as pigeon blood in the trade. So we've dramatically increased the value of this ruby. So that's how we turned a basic red ruby into a stunning pigeon blood red. If you love seeing transformations like this, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more behind the scenes gemstone stories.